You can easily wipe away spillages. For example, spilled milk at breakfast. Just take a clean damp cloth and wipe away. Then leave to dry. Never use harsh chemical cleaners or abrasive cloths to clean the shelf, as it really damages the wax finish. You may be surprised to know that this does include baby wipes. For many households, this is the go-to wipe to clean up spillages, but it really damages the wax. Sometimes you may find that you've spilled something that will soak into the wood and damage the wax. Then you'll need to repair the damage. For this, you can find our wax care packs to buy on our website. There's a separate video on how to use these.